Pruning for growth, understanding, prune regularly. Hello everyone, today we're diving into a commonly used phrase in English, prune regularly. This phrase, often heard in gardening contexts, holds both literal and metaphorical meanings. Let's explore what it means and how you can use it in your everyday English. Remember, understanding such phrases can enrich your language skills significantly. Pruning, in the most literal sense, refers to the cutting and trimming of plants and trees. It's a vital part of gardening, helping to remove dead or overgrown branches or stems. Prune regularly, in this context, means to do this action consistently and at regular intervals. It's essential for the health and growth of the plant. This section will include visuals of gardening and pruning activities to aid understanding. Beyond gardening, prune regularly is used metaphorically. It suggests the idea of removing unnecessary or unwanted elements from various aspects of life, like habits, workflows, or even social circles. This section will include examples and scenarios where this metaphorical meaning applies, helping viewers to grasp how to use this phrase in different contexts. Here, we'll focus on how to pronounce prune regularly correctly. I'll break down the phrase into syllables and repeat it slowly. Additionally, I'll provide tips on using this phrase naturally in conversations, emphasizing its contextual appropriateness. I hope this video has shed light on the phrase, prune regularly, and its uses in English. Remember, pruning in gardening and in life is all about making space for new growth. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to prune your English skills regularly for better fluency. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.